Have you ever noticed that, even though you're passionate, skilled, and ready to serve, the clients just aren't coming as consistently as you'd imagined? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And as you listen now, you may begin to realize that the biggest reason most coaches struggle to get clients isn't about how good they are. It's about lack of clarity. Clarity in who you serve, what you help them solve, and the transformation they receive. Most coaches say, "I can help anyone," and logically, that sounds generous. But energetically, it becomes diluted, because when you speak to everyone, no one really hears you. Imagine walking into a crowded room, 100 conversations happening at once, and suddenly you hear someone say something that speaks directly to the challenge you're facing. You turn, instantly drawn in, because you felt seen. That's the power of having a clear niche, a clear client avatar. When your message is focused, your clients can finally recognize themselves in your words. So let's take a moment now and walk through 3 simple steps to define the person you're meant to serve. Step 1 is to identify the problem you solve. What challenge do people naturally ask you for help with? And what have you personally overcome? Step 2. Define the person who has that problem. Is it a woman starting her business, a man in corporate transition, or maybe a parent juggling life and purpose? Get specific. Step 3. Articulate the transformation. Complete this sentence. I help blank go from blank to blank. Because, when you can say that with confidence, your message really becomes magnetic. And here's the exciting part. Once you hone in on that clarity, your marketing becomes easier. Your conversations feel more natural, and clients begin to find you, almost effortlessly. If you're feeling called to dial this in even deeper, I created a simple guide to help you define your niche and client avatar, so you can start attracting aligned clients, right now. Go ahead and click the link below, and register now for our free workshop. Or, if you'd like to fast-track this, you're welcome to book a call with me, Jeanne Zierhoffer, and we can find your niche together and get your message working for you. Because the moment you get clear, the world can finally find you.